is Vlogmas, and I've already run into like 75 hurdles that I wasn't expecting to run into. Just trying to film some vlogs for you guys. I never vlogged before. A lot of the ideas that I had before have gone out the window because I already had a bunch of stuff go wrong that I wasn't expecting, so I don't even know if you're ever gonna see this. I wanna make it more festive in this area, so we're gonna be bopping around the city getting a few little knickknacks from like Dollar Tree or whatever so we can make it all holiday themed over here. I'm kind of scared. Like, I don't know, I don't usually get nerves in front of the camera, but it's a little bit different now that it's like, the fact that I'm just like, I have no plan and I don't know what I'm gonna talk about. I'm just talking to you guys and then I'm gonna somehow edit this into a video and put it out. Wish me luck on my first ever vlog. I don't have my, oh. I also need to remember to take you guys with me and not just leave you sitting somewhere random. But yep, it looks like we're all set. Let's go vlogging. I want to make a tree, but unsurprisingly, all of the cones are gone. I was thinking maybe I can carve this foam down into like a tree shape and then put the garland around it. I was gonna get this and just bend it, but then I saw this. Okay, y'all, we back, and this is our haul from going out to Dollar Tree. We're gonna make it so festive in here. Garlands, and this garland, and somehow I got a Christmas tree for $1.50. I don't know what this is gonna look like. I feel like it's gonna be really... I mean, you know what? It's not bad. It's not bad at all. To be honest, it's actually kind of cute just like this, but I'm gonna try and make it a little fluffier. And oh, I must have left it in the car. I have some little tiny ornaments to go on it, but we might make our own ornaments. Maybe that'll be part of the like Christmas vlog or series. Can you guys tell I'm literally just scrambling for ideas for this vlog? Hi, Zoomy Zooms. Hi. So this is for like your hallway. So I was thinking I could just wrap it around to fluff out the tree. Stick the twigs in there. Like if I cut it up. So I have 2 of these. I'm gonna try and cut this one up and like attach the wire. Here they are. Cause I'm a vlogger.
The next day.
It's a brand new day. Don't worry about me. I'm not driving. As you can see, my hands are free. Today, I'm going to the library. We're gonna check out the makerspace over there and see if we can find one of those cutting machines. And I'm gonna try and get a couple books to help me make some flower arrangements because one of the builds coming up is gonna be a flower stand and I'm super excited for that. Last time you saw me, I was working on the tree, but I had to put it aside because it was super dusty and it was making my nose stuff up. So I rinsed all of the stuff I got off and they're drying. And now we're out and about in downtown Los Angeles and we're just gonna keep going with this vlog. I'm here in the library. This is one of my favorite places on earth. If you've ever watched my channel, you probably know that we have like a million library builds and I'm always talking about the library. I'm gonna try and find some books for flower arrangements and maybe like a flower encyclopedia so I can see what the meanings of the flowers are because I wanna make realistic copies of them. I was all done grabbing my books when I saw this out of the corner of my eye, so I rushed down to the lower levels to see this mini installation that they had going on. It was really beautiful with interesting pieces that were focused on retelling history through the lens of fashion. Link the website for you guys so you can check it out in the description box. The unfortunate part was that the creativity lab was not open. I was just looking through the window longingly. I found a few books like this one. I think they're gonna be pretty good. I wanted to go to the Octavia Butler lab that they have downstairs, but it's not open yet. So I'm gonna have to come back and check it out later and see if we can find some stuff that's like for like if they have a cutting machine of some kind. So that would be another day. Time to go home. I'm ready to reattempt trying to set up this tree. It should be dry now. Ooh, actually. Drum roll! Are you guys ready to see the $150 $2 tree that we got from Dollar Tree and fixed up? Ta-da! Between you and me, I didn't put the ornaments on the back. I just put them on the front because I'm only gonna have this sitting in the corner and you're not gonna see the back anyway, so nobody needs to really know about any of that. Yeah, let me know what you guys thought, and in the next videos we're gonna be making some miniatures, like some miniature holiday food, some miniature ornaments to go on the tree, maybe a miniature tree, but I do that all the time on this channel anyway. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the video, and I'll see you guys in the next vlog. Bye bye!